Okay, today we're going to create a workflow for converting image types, and we're going to utilize a folder action to convert a set of TIFF images to JPEG, and then we're going to resize the newly converted images using the Automator application. Okay, on my desktop you can see I have 10 TIFF images that we're going to use to convert to JPEGs and then resize. Currently they're at 853 by 480 dimension. Okay, I'm going to make a new folder. We'll call it Convert Images. We'll call it Convert Image Type. Then we'll add a folder action. We will duplicate the image as a JPEG, and we'll enable folder actions. I'm going to open the folder. Let's see here. All right. Now you'll be able to see what happens when I copy or move the TIFFs into the folder. Okay, it automatically created two new folders. One is the original images, the TIFFs, and one is a new set of images, the JPEGs. Now, these JPEGs have the same pixel dimension as the original TIFFs at 853 by 480. And we'll just pull that folder out and we'll be working with it now. We'll put the Convert Image folder to the side. The next thing we're going to do is open up the Automator application. And we're going to create a workflow. We'll be working on the new JPEG images. And we're going to do two things to the images. We're going to rename them and resize them. And I'll make a new folder to move them into. We'll call it Scaled Images. So we're going to add different automated tasks, two tasks to the workflow. We're going to resize or scale. And we're going to rename. So let's put them in order. First thing I want to do is rename. I'm going to pull that right underneath my files. I don't need this copy finder. I'm going to close it, and we're going to change this to replace text, because what I want to rename, how I want to rename these files is to remove the 853 by 480 from the file name, because it will no longer be true once the files have been resized. Then I want to scale the images. I'm going to use, instead of pixel dimension, I'll use a percentage, and I'll just cut them down to 50%, and then we'll move them to the Scaled Images folder. The last thing we have to do is run the to run this workflow, and let's run it. We'll now check our new images to see they've been renamed, and they're now 1/2 of the original dimension. And there you have it. We have use two techniques of automation to convert a file type and then or an image type and then resize that image. And we've used the folder action, and we use the Automator application. Thank you.